Hey y'all, it's Guerlanda here. Welcome back to my channel. Here on my channel I mostly do sewing videos, but it's a new year, so I'm trying to branch out, like do hauls, artsy stuff, like lifestyle stuff, and like get into all that different good stuff. But today it's not gonna be like a regular sewing video. I have, well, it's 11. What time is it? Oh, you can't even see it, but it says 11:57 on the 8th. Today's the 8th, January 8th, 2020, Saturday, and I have a photo shoot tomorrow in less than 24 hours. You see I'm tired. Sorry, but y'all, I'm tired, but I need an outfit. So it's supposed to be my birthday shoot, y'all, and I haven't made the fit yet. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I have this fabric I found in my closet, some old fabric I had, and then I went to Joann's and bought some feather. So I'm gonna try to make this outfit. Hey y'all, so first I'm just showing you guys how I thread my sewing machine, and then I will just go through kinda not a full tutorial but a short little tutorial on how I put the dress together. As you guys can see, I used a dress to make a little pattern for me to cut out my dress, and I made it one shoulder and cut a slit on one side of the front of the dress just to show a little leg. And then right here in this clip, I'm actually freehanding a sleeve, so I'm gonna make the one shoulder a long sleeve with a flare. So this is how the dress looked after being constructed. Now, as you can see, I'm actually using a hot glue gun to just stick on the fur that I showed you guys from the beginning. So it's gonna just add a little flare to the sleeve, and I also will be adding fur to the bottom hem of the dress and to the neckline of the dress. So right here, I'm just gonna be showing you guys some behind the scene clips of the photo shoot, so enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm actually back at my house from the photo shoot, and it went pretty well. It was just a 30-minute shoot just to do a couple of photos because it was one outfit, so I didn't need a lot of time. But here's my hair. Here's what the fit was giving. Actually, try to go in the mirror. Here's what the fit was giving. It's cute. There's fur. So yeah. Fur, 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 fur. And that's what it's giving. I did press on nails instead of actually doing my nails because I didn't have enough time. But overall, the photo shoot was great. And she said that today's Sunday, my birthday's on Thursday, and she said that she'll be able to drop them to me by today, and I picked the photos and she have them edited by Thursday. So I hope that goes all as planned because my birthday on Thursday and I want to post them. So yeah, this was a little different for me, guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Y'all like the curls? It's the curls for me, girl. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below what you guys think. How did I do my first time trying to vlog? I tried to vlog this. It wasn't a full vlog. It was bits and pieces, but I'm gonna put them together and try to make something work. But how did you guys like it? And comment down below what other videos you guys would like me to post and what you would like to see from me. And I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe down below if you would like to see more from me, and turn on the post notifications to see when I upload a new video. Okay guys, bye, see you in the next one.